Some manufacturers protect their vehicles from unauthorized access by using a secure gateway. Registering your Icon Professional Tire Pressure Monitoring System Toolkit with AutoAuth provides secure gateway access. Let's start by registering your tool online. First, go to the AutoAuth website and log in. If you don't already have an AutoAuth account, click Register and fill in the required information. Then, log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, click Tools in the left navigation menu. Then, click Add Tool. Enter the tool details when prompted, including the tool's name, the manufacturer, the tool model, and serial number. To find the serial number, go to the main menu in your TPMS tool. Go to Help and then About. Click Add Tool. Your tool will then appear in the Tools menu. After registering your Icon TPMS tool on the AutoAuth website, you'll need to register in the tool. Power on the tool. Then, from the main menu, go to Settings and select SGW. Then, enter your AutoAuth user ID and password. Your Icon TPMS tool is now Secure Gateway ready. To use the Secure Gateway feature, a valid Icon TPMS subscription, a live AutoAuth account, and an active internet connection are required. For more information, please visit www.harborfreight.com/icondiagnostics. There you have it. Your Icon Professional Tire Pressure Monitoring System Toolkit is registered with AutoAuth and ready for use. Icon, tool truck quality, unbeatable value, only at Harbor Freight.